8 seconds. Baller. 8 seconds. It's good.
Yeah, this is good.
8 seconds.
So. 30,3.
30,7.
Nice. Yeah.
8 seconds.
Sagt Dirty. Der war der schlechteste bis jetzt von allen. Das gibt's nicht, ey. Ich kann's nicht glauben. Weißt du, was mein Edge Case war? Es waren 6 Edges falsch und 3 jeweils gedoubleflügt. So, I wanted to talk about this awful edge pairing case really quickly. I always start with a U, and I actually did this around 15-16 seconds, so with a good finish, maybe still on par for a sub 30 solve. And then I wanted to insert this here, and I didn't look ahead in the solve, but if we look ahead now, we can actually see these are a 2-flip. We already saw that now. And then so are these, and so are these two. And the other two are just solved. So we only have 1, 2, 3 of these 2-flips left with the other two solved, which is like very unusual and like caught me off guard because I inserted this, or no, I think I actually inserted this like this at first, then took it out again, inserted in, paired these up, then moved over here and still wanted to do like a normal insert 3 edges and then do U prime back. But obviously when I tried to do that, I saw this doesn't work out, and then I got really confused. Now looking back on it, it's actually not the worst. So you just insert the other two and then you know that you can finish off those 2 edges like that. It's not, you know, objectively a bad case, but it's just pretty unlikely, pretty uncommon, and really caught me off guard in the moment in the solve. So that's also why the solve ended so badly, and I have a thing for missing U-perms from the back, so didn't want to risk it, you know?